Hi friends, welcome to Jogo Coaching. If we want to focus on the continuous improvements, we should measure the current status of the project and team. In this video, I am going to explain few parameters that can be considered to measure the success of the Agile project. We will discuss about 7 assessment parameters in this video. The parameters are business value or the benefits, customer satisfaction, work delivery, cost of the project, delivery commitment, quality of the deliverables, and team motivation and satisfaction of the Agile projects. I will explain each parameters with expected outcome to assess the project success in the coming slides. Now let's understand the first assessment parameter, that is business value. We can check the business benefits or value or return on investment delivered by the Agile teams to assess the success of the Agile project. Business users and product owners will have some business benefit plan or return on investment forecast during the project kickoff. After each project release, the business value can be calculated to check whether the team met the business value creation or not. Agile way of working is focused on value delivery to the customer. So this is one of the key parameters to measure the success of the Agile projects. The second assessment parameter is customer satisfaction. Satisfying the customer is another important aspect of Agile projects. We can collect the feedback from the customers to understand their satisfaction level about the product delivery. Customer feedback can be collected using surveys or any other feedback mechanism. Net Promoter Score, that's called NPS, can be used to collect the customer satisfaction details. If you want to know more about NPS, please watch the Agile Metrics for Executives video in this channel. I have added the link for the video in the description. We can collect feedback from the product owners, customers, or end users after every release, or once in a quarter, or once in 6 months to know their satisfaction level. Customer satisfaction is key metrics to check whether the Agile project is success or not. The third parameter to assess the success of the Agile project is backlog or roadmap completion status. Each product will have a backlog item and a roadmap. How much backlog items were planned versus how much backlog items were completed can be compared to see the effectiveness of the Agile teams. We can measure the milestone status after every month or every quarter based on the actual releases done by the team. Release roadmap can be created and measured regularly for this assessment. If the team is able to deliver the commitment or over deliver the outcome, then the project is success. The fourth parameter to assess the Agile project success is cost. The entire business is running based on the revenue, profit, spend, etc. Each and every Agile project will have a budgeted cost for the product development and delivery. We can measure the actual cost spent for the project against the budgeted cost on monthly basis. More bugs and rework in the project will lead to the cost overrun. If the team is able to deliver the committed work within the budget or meet the budget, then the project is in good shape and it's a success. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about future videos. The fifth parameter to assess the Agile project is sprint commitment versus actual delivery. Product owner will give a commitment to the end user about the features or user story deliveries. Development team will give a commitment to the product owner about the sprint work. We can measure the actual work completed in each sprint against the planned work in each sprint. If the team is able to complete all the sprint commitments as per the plan consistently, then the project is in good condition and it's a success. The sixth parameter to assess the success of the Agile project is quality of the deliverables. Quality is an important factor for the development team to deliver the good product to the end users. Quality of the product will increase the customer satisfaction. Quality issues will lead to rework and customer dissatisfaction. This may lead to cost overrun as well. If the team is able to deliver a good quality product with less or zero bugs, then the project is in a good condition. The seventh parameter to assess the success of the Agile project is team motivation and happiness. Team focus and motivation is the key expectation for Agile projects. If the team members are focused and motivated, they can deliver a good quality result quickly. So maintaining the motivation, focus, and the happiness of the team is a critical requirement for the Agile projects. We can conduct surveys and collect feedback from the team to know their motivational level and happiness. If the team members are happy and motivated, then the project is in a good condition and it's a success. We can use various process and tools to measure these 7 parameters based on the type of the project and organization level guidance. You can also create templates to capture and report this data with a defined time interval. Hope this video is useful. If you like this content, please click the like button and leave your comments and questions below. Please subscribe to this channel to get notification about new videos. Thank you.